Big Wayne. Thank you for coming out today.
Oh, no problem. How you doing?
Good. I'm sure you know Columbia Records will put you on the map as a leader in the music industry. Yes? Here's a clip of someone who we also recently signed, who is topping the charts. Just last year, Mariah Carey was sitting in the same seat as you, and we know that this copyright artist is internationally known. By signing a copyright law, you'll be protected by allowing others to not have control over the music you make. Essentially, you'll get to decide how much you want your music to be presented in the public. People will not be able to just download your music, but you will have complete control over it. As the owner of your music, you can then decide if you want others to use your music, or you can have them not use your music, but you will be able to have complete profits. Copyright laws protect your original work from being used by others from profits without your express written consent. Under the copyright laws, if you make music within 5 years, if someone tries to steal your music, the courts will side with you. Copyright laws allow the owner to file lawsuits against anyone who uses this material without their permission.
And how long do these copyright laws last?
Well, these copyright laws lock down your music throughout your lifetime, plus an additional 70 years after you die. So, if you understand everything and are ready to sign, it's your decision.
Don't sign now, boy! I have a way better contract for you, Big Wayne. Trust me.
What are you doing here?
Don't worry about it. I have my ways. But anyway, I am ready to put you on the map, Big Wayne.
Are you sure about that? These copyright laws sound like a good idea.
Well, let me give you a lowdown on a Creative Commons contract with For Real Jams. Creative Commons allows others to share, use, remix, and build upon the music you created. We work alongside copyright laws, where you can choose the terms that meet your needs, such as all rights reserved or some rights reserved. So you have the power to choose what consumers of your music will do with it or can use. Your creative works will be more compatible with today's internet because people can copy, distribute, edit, and make additions to the material you created. Creative Commons licenses remain in boundaries of copyright laws and legally meet users' needs. Basically, you give music listeners the right to copy your music for free.
But why would I want to give people that right?
Well, you will allow people interested in your music the access to distribute to other people, which will be a great way for you to get your name out there. People will not have to pay you for just playing their song or using it for a group or themselves. Also, you control who makes money from your music and what they can do with it. In other words, when you make it big, someone can't just take your song and put it on the album and sell it. Most importantly, you'll be giving back to the music industry because other artists in your field will be able to remix using your background music, beats, and lyrics.
Yeah, it sounds like a good idea and all, but how would I make all my money?
That's a great question. Well, by signing with our well-established Creative Commons label, we will sell your licensed music on our website where you will receive 55% of every sale. Our music is streamed for free, but we will sell your downloads and albums. By doing so, people will be able to hear and share your music for free and get your name out in the public eye quicker. As an independent musician, Creative Commons will be the right path for you to become the next big thing, Big Wayne. So, what do you want to do?
What do you want to do?
I know exactly what I'm going to do.
Oh my God, Big Wayne!
Oh my God, Big
Come on, I'm in this big ass car, man. Real shop down the road. I'm gonna pop some tags. Only got $20 in my pocket. I'm hunting, looking for a dollar. This is awesome. I'm gonna pop some tags. Only got $20 in my pocket. I'm hunting, looking for a come up. This is awesome. Now, walk into the club like, what up? I got a big